So these are all the birds which have been seen over the past, or today I should say. So there's Surrey, Lesser Stork, Pendulum Tits, Humes Warbler, that, there's, I think it's on time to that, is Black-billed Albatross. I could say it's a rare bird. There's one, let me go up to it, whereas there's Bempton Cliffs is just there technically. There's Bottom with the two shore arch with King Ida and Waxwing around it, with Paddy Terrier, that, and then there's that as well. If this loads, and I didn't it. Yeah, okay. Those are the birds which have been seen over the past yesterday and today. Then the 17th then. But what I want to type in, London. And let's do meta search. Oh, okay. I've never heard. Oh my god. So there's been so many rare birds which I haven't even heard of, which have been seen in London. Yeah, I'm in 2015 now. Yeah, just ignore the noise. Yeah, ignore the noise. It's a pretty horrible noise. Let's do sorry. Let's say Surrey. Surrey. Northern Mockingbird too. I can't be that happy with that because American Hornblock I've never heard of. I'm ready. Yeah. I am always being jinxed. Let's type in London. See what birds have been seen in London. Oh, Lesser Stork, really? Yes, that is kind of a rare one. Now let's go on to Blood and Murder. Wait. Let's go there to do that. Oh, is that a buzzard? Rufflet. That's a rufflet, I think. Okay, some super swans with Chiff Chaff, Dogcrest. That's Stork. Stork again. Stork. Hundreds of curlew. The 59 beautiful swans drawn by Black Swan, Redwing, Fieldfare, and like I was showing. Anyway, that's all for the birds today. And I'll see you in a few minutes, I could say. Anyway, bye.